As a resident of the United States, if you work, you should file income tax returns unless you qualify for an exception. This includes if you work for someone else or yourself, work for a check or in cash, work full-time or part-time, work year-round or seasonally, or only worked part of a given year. Please keep in mind that filing your taxes is different than having payroll taxes automatically deducted from your paycheck. You need to do an affirmative act to file your income tax return, and you have to do it every year. You will need to file Form 1040, and there are various versions of the 1040 depending on whether you are married, having a business, etc., with the federal government. A state version of the 1040 with your state government. In most cases, some states don't have income taxes, and sometimes your municipality. Usually, these returns are due April 15th of every year for the preceding year, but that may vary if April 15th falls on a weekend. There are some exceptions to being required to file income taxes. For example, if you earn under a certain income amount for your household size, you may not be required to file. You will want to check with the IRS, an accountant, or a certified tax preparer before not filing a tax return. Even if you don't earn very much money and would not be required to file a tax return, there can be benefits to filing that tax return. For example, the government could owe you money in the form of a tax credit. You can only get that money back by filing your return. It is important to have filed tax returns in order to demonstrate good moral character for the purposes of qualifying for naturalization. If you have questions or need assistance with preparing your tax returns, please contact a local nonprofit that provides this assistance, such as the Accounting Aid Society, www.accountingaidsociety.org in Southeast Michigan. You can also get free tax help through a VITA site if your income is less than $54,000 per year, you have a disability, and in some circumstances, you do not speak English. The IRS has information on these programs on its website, www.irs.gov.